Okay, so we're off. Look, we're all strapped in the cars. Everyone got their straps on?
Yep.
And what are we going to go and see?
Eagles, owls.
We're going to go and see some birdies, aren't we, Hugo?
And the owls eat worms. We might get to feed them. I don't know if we will. And the eagles eat mice. We might get to feed them.
You don't want to eat a worm?
And we might get to hold them as well. Apple. And at the minute we're
in the car.
Just going to drive to that place.
To the place. Should we go and see them then?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do birdies eat, Hugo?
Worms.
They eat worms. Do you know what else they eat?
Apple.
They eat naughty little boys. Ah! So you best be on your best behaviour.
No.
Yeah. Right, we'll see you all in a bit.
Bye.
See you in a bit. See another birdie.
Mummy, look at a minute. We are up here and it's a lot of noise because at the minute they've just got a different bird. I'll show you. That's the birdie. It is a birkin and I'll show you. Oh, sorry. The bird. I'll show you on this bed.
If you look at him, he's a very, very good
Man's just gone to get an eagle, and it's my favourite one. Hugo, do you like eagles? You don't like eagles. And I do not know when he's going to come, so I'm just going to wait out a minute till he comes. And here he's coming. There's the eagle. There's the eagle. And it is a massive, massive, massive bird.
So I have to feed you to keep you quiet. Remember, all things are negotiable, parents. Yeah, see, this is a bald eagle. They're called the bald eagles because it's actually got to do with their colour. Number one, she's piebald, black and white, like a magpie or a pied waiter. And the old English word of bow means white. So they used to be called bow-headed eagles. Changed to bald-headed and now just bald eagle. It means white. And you watch, because again, cartoon.
So far we've seen the hawk and eagle, and the hawk, the eagle, and now we're going to see the owl. And they're just about going to get the owl.
There's no sound. Put your arm in there, little man, I'll help you.
Wow. That's it. Thank you. Should we
Right,
let
come on
Maisie
then,
have a
missus. Arm in there, lovey. Just bring her in a bit. And grin.
Wow, what you got, Maze? Do you remember what it's called? Barno. Oh, is she nice? Okay, yeah. Cool. Okay, so we are back from the bird thing. Got to see some birds. How was it, kids?
Good.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Did you like it? What's your favourite bit?
Where we got to hold the barn owl.
Is that your favourite animal? The favourite bird? Which was your favourite one?
I had two favourites, the eagle and the barn owl.
And what did you enjoy, Hugo? You was a little bit of a naughty boy, wasn't you?
Yep.
Was you a naughty boy?
You can, and also,
No, I think he was a naughty
good
boy.
bad boy.
Yeah.
Because
Weren't you? You're a little monkey. You made it hard, didn't you? Hey?
And Henry enjoyed it as
He did.
well.
So, yeah, we hope you enjoyed seeing the animals just as much as we did.
Yeah. And click thumbs up and subscribe.